everyone. So I got some happy mail from Minnie Rose Co. I have 3 packages that came in. I already opened it and everything just to get it going. I enjoy her shop. Her name is Courtney. I love her shop. I love her stickers, her pins. I just love everything that she has in her shop. So I'm going to do an unboxing on 3 of these packages that I got from Minnie Rose Co. And I'm going to share her link below in the description. If this is something you'd be interested in watching, please stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to start with the smallest package first. So I'll start with the smallest package. So I got it out of the package. So here's the package. So let me get it out. And she put a little note that says, thank you for your order. And then you have an invoice, which I'm going to put that away because it's got my address. Okay. So here's one pen. It's an enamel pen. Isn't this cute? Her crown pen. And this one. I think this one's called Soul Sister. I could be wrong, but I love that pen. Look at, can you see the colors? It's just beautiful. And I'm ready for the holidays. This is her holiday pen. Let's see. See, isn't that cute? Cute little boots, just right for the fall, autumn. I love fall and autumn. I love fall and autumn. So, and then as you could tell, look at my pajamas. It's got the fall leaves with the cocoa, and it's got donuts on here. So you see, I think it's just so cute. So the crown, I love these. And then, let me open the mail. These are the stickers. So, open the sticker so I can show you. Isn't this nice? Look at hardest sign to understand is Gemini. See that? Gemini. Some more of these scripts. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. I tell you, these are just some nice stickers. I'm awful with names and remembering the names. So, but if you go to her Minnie Rose Co on Facebook, there's some wonderful ladies on there. They could tell you exactly the name of the stickers. I just like her stickers, period. You never have enough stickers, you know what I mean? You might hear my dog in the background. See, I love her bags too. So I got her bag too. And this sold out when she listed it on her website. Isn't this lifelike? So yeah. And I got my planner in here. See, I got my planner. And it fits perfectly in here. So yeah. So that's one Happy Mail. Let me open my other Happy Mail. There goes the other Happy Mail. So I got this. There we go. So this is her pins. I'm going to show you these pins. She had a grab bag with her pins and her stickers. And I got both. I got her stickers right there. But here's her pins. Oh gosh, I love this. I'm going to attach those on my pin, on my bag. Let me pull all these out so you can see all the stickers. Okay. So here's this Kamala Harris sticker. I mean, not sticker, pin. That's Kamala Harris. I like that. Kamala Harris. Now, put that in. Here's her first bag. Yeah. This is pretty too. That's cute. And I think I just like her pins and everything. There's this one. That's pretty. I'm not going to take it out the bag, but here's another one. Well, let me take it out the bag. It looks better out the bag. See this one? I love the details of her pen. You can see her holding that pink purse, the pink bag. That's cute. I need to get my nails done. Don't look at the nails. Oh, I haven't had a chance to. Here's this one. See that one? See the detail? Really nice. And then these cute little push pins right here. These are cute, so I got 2 of these. So that's cute. Then I got this. Her album is so cute. So I like her album. And look at this. It says, I am deliberate and afraid of nothing. See, is that? And it's got her name, Minnie Rose Co. And it looks like the buttons in rose gold. But look at that. It's got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. 20 on each side. So let's say, see these stickers I have? You could put it right in there, see? Isn't that nice? So you could just put the stickers in just like that. And her sticker sheets fit right, just perfect in the album. In her sticker album. See that? Just a perfect fit. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in here. Putting all her stickers in there. So that is right cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put those there. And then here goes her other goodie bag I got. Let me get that. This one I won because I explained my why. Right here goes another Happy Mail. And I won this here. And she put a little note in there that she put on there, thank you for your why. So I love that. So I got this pen right here. I got it upside down. I got this pen, which I have a whiteboard that has flowers on it that looks like this, and it's gonna match perfectly. And then I got another sticker sheet that has Planner Girl on there. See? This is script and this is Planner Girl, which I love that. And this here this is in rose gold, but it's just like this one. And I love the pink. It's got a slot right here, see? So you could put things right there, more stickers. And it's got 20, 40, just like that one. And it's got a loop right here that you could put a charm and everything right there. So I just like this, so pretty. This one here, the inside in here is like a grayish, and it's got a pocket here too. And it also has a little loop that you could put a charm. So just so pretty. I'm just loving everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click that notification button. Click the notification so you know when I go live or whenever I upload a video. I post a new video every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you for watching. Stay positive. And I love you all. Bye-bye.